In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PayPal account to Stripe, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to connect PayPal account to Stripe, first, open your browser and go to the Stripe website. Then, sign into your Stripe account to access the dashboard. Once you're inside the Stripe dashboard, look for the Settings option and click on it. Inside the Settings area, go to Payments, and then select Payment Methods. This page displays all the payment methods that can be enabled in your Stripe account. Scroll down through the list until you find PayPal. If PayPal is not enabled yet, you'll see an option to turn it on. Click the toggle to enable PayPal as a payment method. Once you enable it, Stripe will activate PayPal for your account so it can be used when receiving payments. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.